Good evening, Martians. I wanted to say special congratulations today to my friend Lucy and all of her colleagues on the OSIRIS-REx team. That spacecraft just arrived at its destination today, an asteroid called Bennu, very small little rock, which is of a type that is left over from the early formation of the solar system. And by studying that rock, and they're going to map it and then descend down to the surface, pick up some sample, put it in a return capsule, and shoot it back to Earth. That whole process will take a couple of years, but they've made the first major step of arriving at the asteroid, and everything looks good. Bennu is a type of asteroid that was very common in the early solar system, and it's ultimately what Earth and Mars and other rocky planets formed from. The rock itself, Bennu, the material that makes it up is probably very nondescript if you looked at it closely. It's kind of looks like a stone, like some sort of nondescript rock. But when these pieces started coming together under gravity and radioactive isotopes were producing heat, they began to heat up. And as they heated up, they started to melt. Warm things like iron fell to the center, and lighter materials rose to the outside, forming the familiar layers of core, mantle, and crust. So both InSight and OSIRIS-REx are studying aspects of the origin of our solar system, but at very different timescales and at different stages in evolution. Bennu is very early. Mars is a large body, differentiated and somewhat evolved, and the Earth is a highly evolved rocky planet. So NASA has a lot of different missions, and European Space Agency and JAXA and all of the space agencies have missions to explore our origins. And there are many pieces to that puzzle, and each mission tries to fill in a new piece. So congratulations again, Lucy and OSIRIS-REx, and keep doing science.